Do you have outlets that don't sit flush to the wall? Well, I'm here to tell you how to fix it. You see these are Leviton screwless faceplates, and they've been discontinued, and there's a bracket behind there that breaks, and I'm here to show you how to fix it. Snap off the faceplate. The bracket that's right here that's broken. And so what we're gonna do is unscrew it. Then you'll pull it out from the wall. And you see how the bracket's broken right here, but then the bracket's intact right there? So we're gonna fix the top bracket. And so you can see the pieces are right here, right there. Just take some needle nose pliers and pull out the broken piece. Or pieces. And what we have is this 3D printed bracket replacement, and we're just gonna put it right in and replace that bracket. So on the bottom, the tab sticks up. On the top, the tab sticks down. And you're just gonna push it in till it's flush with the wall. Flush with the wall. You're going to put the face bracket on there. Screw that in so it's flush there. You're gonna take the faceplate, snap it on, boom, secure. The official name for these is the Leviton Cheetah Speed Bracket. It's a 30 millimeter. And the bracket was discontinued by the manufacturer, and this is my solution to a cheap repair for an outlet. So then you don't have to replace all your drywall. As you can see, the black bracket is the original Leviton bracket, and then the gray one is the printed version. So please contact me directly if you would like to purchase them. I have them listed on eBay and Amazon, but you can get them a lot cheaper directly through me, so I don't have to pay the fees. So give me an email and I'm happy to help you. Thank you.